Hello everyone and welcome back to the sixth and last day from the series 6 Days of Halloween for 2021. Today I have for you a just a showcase of a wallet mini album. I thought it was lovely. Like every other project in this series, which by the way I will link the whole playlist with the projects from this year in the description box down below. This mini wallet also has been made with the collection Candy Carnival from Doodlebug. It's absolutely adorable. The idea is not mine. I found it on YouTube exactly. I don't remember where anymore, to be honest, but obviously it's if you look for wallet mini albums, you will find plenty. So um, if you want to make one yourself, of course you can look and you will find a lot. So when it's closed, this mini album measures 10 by 15 centimeters or 4 by 6 inches. I decorated it like this, pretty simple but adorable in the same time. I loved sweet faces and the decorations that are included in this collection. And you won't believe, but in this mini album, you can store up to 22 photos. About half of them will be 9 by 13 centimeters and the rest smaller. That is if I don't count this, for example, this side, on which you can also put photo, but in my case, I decorated it and of course I won't cover it with a photo. But all the surfaces that I haven't decorated, I have counted, and in my case, I came up to 22 photos. So this is how it opens. And when it's completely opened, it gets to be pretty big. I mean, in length, this will be, let's see, we have 30 until here and like 40 centimeters. But first, let's see how it opens. So you see there in the middle, we have like 4 panels. So this you have place for 9 photos right here. And here you can fit, like I said, photos of 9 by 13 centimeters. Absolutely perfectly well without trimming off. And like I said, you can even put, in my case at least, one photo on the back because there I didn't put any decoration whatsoever. And the smaller photos will fit here in the side panels. And these are, I will tell you right away, they are like 6 centimeters in width and by 10 in length. So like 5 by 9 or something like that. And in the last 2 on the sides, you see that you have pockets. There you can put one photo above the pocket, and then you can put an insert in the pocket, and each insert will allow you space for 2 photos. So this is how I got up to 22 photos. But like I said, like half of them will be 9 by 13, but the other half should be smaller. So they fit on this last 4 side flaps. Except for that, what can I say? I really hope you like the mini album. Yes, I was wanting to give you a measurement. So vertically, when it's opened, it measures like 40 centimeters and horizontally about the same, 40 by 52, 53 almost. This is how it closes back, and that's the whole project. I really hope you like it. And if you did, please don't forget to give subscribe, share, and like and comment even. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye bye.